Hey, what's up, guys? Yep, back on the Sur Ron as usual. And so I got some, posted a picture on Instagram, the new forks, new rims. So yeah, let me start with the easy stuff. Rims are silver XL rims, front and back, kind of made it matching. Kind of looks more like a dirt bike now. Liking it. But yeah, so I got these new forks on here. As you can see, they're green, made by DVO, and these aren't the emerald, these are Onyx. So DVO Onyx, and they kind of, yeah, I mean, it basically looks like a fox and feels like a fox. So just, you know, an alternative to another alternative to forks if anybody wants to get a pair. I think I bought them for 12 and some change, but you can probably get them for less. I bought them from Europe. Seems like seems like that's where I gotta buy stuff nowadays, in Europe. But anyway, yeah, so far so good. Kind of so right now these forks, I can tell you they're a little bouncy for some reason. So I don't know if I have too much air in there, or settings maybe. I don't know. But anyway, if I had to, well, I'll compare later. I'll leave it at that. When I'm done riding today, hey, where did I'm riding with Darren today. When I'm done riding today, I'll do a comparison with all the forks that I've run on this bike so far. Let's see how. Back at it. Okay. So again, I'll be doing the review of this DVO Onyx fork. And yeah, actually, like I said, at the end of the ride, I'll let you know what I think about these forks compared to Fox, Mozochi, RV1s, Fixed Fusion RV1s, and give you my opinion on it all. But I mean, just by feeling this fork so far, it's pretty good. I mean, heck of a lot better than RST Killa or DNNs. Although DNNs are, some people love those DNNs. They're pretty good. Oh, and another thing, so I don't know if you noticed, my bike is pretty quiet now. So what happened with that was I put the chain conversion in, and I liked it. It was good, chain conversion. And I was like, oh, okay, good. And a little noisy. And then we did some experimentation with a 12 tooth sprocket. The chain conversion is 13. I put a 12 on there, and that thing made so much racket. I had to take it off. So when I took it off, I was like, yeah, you know what, I'm going back with the belt. So I'm back in stealth mode. Pretty quiet. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Man, it's dusty up here. Dust. Well, I don't know how dusty it is because I'm in the front. I'll ask Darren how dusty it is back there. But the nice thing about these bikes, another nice thing is it doesn't kick up a lot of dust like dirt bikes. I don't think so anyway. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, I think so I don't know if it's the back or the front, but it seems like it's packing up. So, I mean settings maybe, right? So I'm going to have to do some adjustments. But it feels, to me it feels similar to Fox. If I had to say, it's probably closer to Marzocchi's. That would be my guess. The Fox is pretty, I think the Fox 40s are a little more plush than this. But I don't know. I don't know if I got these DVOs set up right, so but as you can see, I'm moving pretty fast, so that must mean something. And I hear Darren behind me, so Darren, first time riding Sur Ron. Or first time in the trail. He rode it around by his house a little bit, but you know, that can't compare to trail riding, right? But yeah, I think he's enjoying it. Let's see what he has to say. Go to the left, and it goes just around that bamboo stand over there. And then it swings back around to the right, and then it stays on the left side of the groove. It's not too bad with this bike. Just kind of gotta do one. You can always walk them off. Okay. Woohoo! Alright, so I let out some air, some PSIs in the front fork, and it feels pretty good now. Pretty plush. Plushier. So yeah, I think all in all it's a pretty good alternative to any other forks compared to Fox. I think these are a little bit more stiff if you want them stiffer. About the same as Marzocchi's. And then compared to the X Fusion RV1, and there's really no comparison. Those X Fusion RV1s, they are very, very plush, very good, all around. That fork is, it's just so, it feels, I'm trying to figure out how to explain this. It feels smooth all the way to the stroke. It doesn't pack up like the air ones do. Yeah, that spring is, and I think I ran the black extra firm spring on the RV1. And yeah, because of my weight, you know, that was what I went with. But yeah, it was good. So, is it worth $1,200? Yeah, I guess so. Pretty good. Yeah. Alright, back again. My final review. Yeah. So it's okay. Yeah, it is what it is. Another $1,200 experiment. But hey, that's what I do. I'm experimenting, running stuff through the paces for you guys, and you guys can make your own decisions on if you want one or not, you know, instead of just buying them sight unseen and not knowing if they're any good or not. I'll save you all that trouble. I'll just let you know what I think about these forks and tires and shocks and all the upgrades that I'm doing. Help you guys out a little bit. But yeah, I did some adjustments to the DVOs, and right now, yeah, I feel pretty good, as you can see. They're not terrible. I mean, they're not the best in the world. But yeah, I sure do miss those X Fusion RV1s. Blaine is a lucky guy. He got those. I call them unicorns. There's 2 unicorns in this world. I got one. Eric got one. And now we can't get them. So, if you're a 19-inch guy and you swear by the 19-inch front, then I gotta go 100% with the X Fusion RV1. You will not be disappointed. If you're a 21 guy, you have to if it was left up to me, I would say Fox 40 probably the best that you can do. And then Marzocchi and this DVO is right behind it. I mean, it all depends on what you want, and that's all it comes down to. As for me, I like that Fox 40, and it was the Fox 40 Elite that I like, by the way. All black one, came out in was it 18, 19 or something. Those are super good, super plush. The newer ones are, I know they keep, Fox keeps redoing, revalving, you know, doing all that kind of stuff to the Fox 40. So yeah, but yeah, so far that'll be my my review of these forks. I'll do a quick quick shout out for this Shinko 241 rear trials tire. That thing is good. I love it. I have the 18-inch 3.5 one, and I did that. I laced the back bump, you know, laced the back myself. Got my silver rims. 3.5. I mean, 3.0. Sorry, not 3.5. 3.0. Trials tire. It's good. It has a lot of traction. Very good. Of course it's bone dry right now, so you know, when it does start raining, I'm definitely gonna do another rainy day review for this tire. I'm curious to see how it does in the slick muddy, you know. I always ran a trials tire on the back of my dirt bikes, so let's see how it does on the Sur Ron. I think for my riding style, I think it'd be good. But yeah, but yeah. Anyway, so ends my my short long review of the forks that I've got ran so far. Yeah, if you like my videos, I'm not gonna ask you to like, comment, or subscribe, because that's not what I do. But if you do want more videos, I am gonna do them, because that's what I love to do. I love it. This is the most fun I've ever had on two wheels. Still love my gas bike, dirt bikes, but right now, you know, right now this is what I got, and this is what I ride. So this is it.